All right, so if you're looking for a good set of seat covers for your Jeep Wrangler, I've got a great set of seat covers that came with mine. And guess what? For $200, you cannot beat them. Wait till you see the diver's material it's made of, like that wetsuit neoprene material. You're gonna love it. It fits like a glove. All right, so what do you say we start at the cargo area so you see exactly what we got going on? All right, so we're gonna start from the cargo area so you can see everything from the cargo all the way up to the front driver and passenger seats. But one thing I'm actually noticing right now is it's really dark in here. You're not gonna really be able to see the quality. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this rear hardtop so this way you guys can get a good look at what's going on here. Find a spot where it feels balanced in your hands and then simply lift it. And I've got a video here on my channel that shows the specifics of how I do this so easily. So if you're by yourself and you're looking to take your top off, check that video out in my description. But once you're here, it's just like doing a squat at the gym. All right, so now that we have the top off, let's go ahead and look at the fit and finish of these seat covers. Number one, I want to point out the corners, the shoulder pad area. It is fit like a glove, which, by the way, these are made out of a diver's like wetsuit neoprene material. And you'll notice that they fit really nicely. Hopefully the sun can catch this for you because this is really why I took my time to remove the rear hardtop. So this way the sun can catch the fit and the finish of these seat covers. You will notice that they go all the way to the bottom and actually look like they came like this. The other thing I'd like to mention is that the headrest, a lot of the so-called Wrangler seat covers, you'll see that the headrests are just like very sloppy or a piece of material just hanging, and you don't have that issue with these. All right, so here we are at the back seat. I mean, as you can see, fantastic. I mean, the fit and the finish is unbelievable. One thing I like to mention, and you might have noticed this also while looking for seat covers, is that other options such as leather or even leatherette or vinyl, a lot of people report, especially now here in the sun, in the summertime, the sun will really cook those seats, whether they're vinyl, leather, etc. And that's what I love about these neoprene seats. They stay cool. This material, like I said, is like a diver's wetsuit. So although this is black, it's not very hot. Yes, it is warm, but I can only imagine if I touched a vinyl or a leather or a leatherette seat cover, it'd be twice as hot. So that's a good thing about these seat covers. The other thing that I noticed a lot of people mentioning in the reviews for any seat cover is that if it was vinyl or leather, it scratches really easily when the dogs are in the back seat. So if that's something that means a lot to you, your dog's back here with you all the time, then I would say that these neoprenes would be better because they won't get scratched and they're really thick and tough. What do you say we move on to the front so you can see what that looks like as well? All right, so here we are at the front. And by the way, guys, if you are enjoying this video, drop us a like. Also, subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be doing reviews on Wranglers all the time, and especially this one I just picked up. It came with a lot of goodies that I want to review for you because this person hooked this thing up. It looks like kind of exclusively on Amazon, but picked premium parts, especially when it came to the seat covers, the suspension, and a lot of other little goodies that we got here. So if you want to check that out about things that I think are definitely worth checking out on Amazon, subscribe to the channel. But all right, here we go. Back to the seat covers. Guys, again, it's the same thing as the back, essentially. It's just a fantastic fit. It's a fantastic finish. One thing that I really like is these diver's tags that are on the seats. It makes it look really cool because, of course, it is made out of a diver's like wetsuit material. So if you're looking for a set of seat covers and you are not sure how they will fit in your Wrangler, this is a JK. So I can speak on JK 2007 to 2018. Now they also have them for JLs. So I'm sure they fit just as well. The seats didn't change much, but the quality is there. It's 100% great quality. And I think for the money, it's about $200 at this point. This is something that you definitely want to put in your Amazon shopping cart and sent to you on Prime immediately because it'll upgrade your vehicle immediately. That's one thing about Jeeps. Sometimes they're so badass from the outside and you get to the inside and the interior is just so faded and it's from, you know, a 10-year-old vehicle, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that the vehicle needs a little spruce up on the inside, and seat covers will do that immediately. So there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see how exactly I took that rear hardtop off by myself and kind of the details of that, check out the video in my channel. There's a thumbnail of me holding it, says alone, how to remove that on your own. So guys, there you have it. You've seen the most fantastic seat covers that money can buy on Amazon without breaking the bank. And I 100% recommend these seat covers for anyone with a JK or even JL Wrangler. All right, guys, peace.